First of all, I'd like to give a big shout out to Paxful. Paxful is a peer-to-peer marketplace where users can exchange their gift cards and other forms of payment in exchange for bitcoins. There are over 300 payment options to choose from. Without Paxful, this video would not be possible. Sign up now and get your free digital wallet today. What's up, crypto peeps? It's your girl Isa, here to deliver your daily dose of Bitcoin news. Today, we'll start with the basics, and that is, what is Bitcoin? So, you've probably heard of the term Bitcoin. I know I have. It hit headlines in December 2017 when Bitcoin reached its highest rate so far. So let me explain to you in the simplest way possible. Bitcoin is basically digital money with no physical assets. It purely exists online. It is also the first decentralized digital currency. You can use it to pay and transfer money instantly, minus the hassle of banks, plus lower fees. This is especially useful to people who transfer money abroad. I'm one of those people, and thanks to Bitcoin, not only can I save time, but I can save a couple of bucks as well. So, where do people actually keep their Bitcoins? Each person has their own digital wallet and their own digital addresses. All you need is the other person's digital address and voila! Instant transfers. Now, each transaction is recorded in a digital ledger called the blockchain. Still with me? Awesome, so picture this. Person A, let's call her Alice, will send $5 to person B, let's call him Bobby. Alice then hands the money over to Bobby. Now, my question is this. How can we ensure that Alice did in fact give Bobby $5? Bobby could easily lie and say that he did receive the money, or Alice could have given less. So, in order to have a clear record that Alice did in fact give $5 to Bobby, they write it down on a ledger. They then show that ledger to all their friends who confirm that this indeed happened. Now this is where the blockchain comes in. It serves as a digital ledger that confirms and records all Bitcoin transactions. Now the people who maintain the blockchain are what we call miners. Miners are rewarded Bitcoins for solving complex mathematical problems in order to confirm each payment. Thanks to the blockchain, sending Bitcoins is safe and secure. So, to cap it all off, Bitcoin has become so popular lately because of the following reasons. Number 1. Sending money has become instant. We don't need banks or money services to process each and every one of our transactions for us. Now we can do it with a click of a button. Number 2. No banks means no fees. And who wouldn't want to save a little extra cash? Number 3. Bitcoins can now be used to make purchases. A growing number of stores are now accepting Bitcoin as a legit form of payment. Did you know you can now purchase airline tickets with Bitcoins? And that's all the time we have for today. Tune in next episode where we'll dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin. Once more, this is Isa and this is We the Cryptos. If you like this video, please let us know in the comments below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.